guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the little bee box for December. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the December 2024 Little Bee box is here. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, the Little Bee box is geared towards little ones. It's mainly a monthly subscription box, but they do also have a one-time box if you want to do it as a gift or just like a one-time thing. They actually gear the box towards that child. So when you do order either one, you tell them the age and you tell them the gender, and the Little Bee box will take all the guesswork out for you, and they will create a mystery box for that specific child, all age appropriate, seasonal appropriate, all of that, and I love it. Currently, I'm getting it every month, and every other box is geared towards my friend's little girl who just turned 2, and then every other one is to another friend for it's her little boy who either just turned 2 or is going to be turning 2 very soon, because they're about the same age. So I'm so excited to now show you a boy and a girl box, and then I get to show you the pictures of both of these adorable kids wearing them and enjoying all of the stuff. So I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and dive in. This month for December is for the little boy box. Last month for November was a little girl box. So let's go ahead and dive in. One thing that I am seeing is the box is a different shape. It's thinner and wider. It's a different shape. So that's really neat. So maybe these are their new boxes, or maybe there's different sizes based on what's inside, but I did notice the box is different. It still looks the same, but it's a different size. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be in the December box geared towards a little 2-year-old. This is what it looks like when you first open the box. There is a card right on the top that says thank you for purchasing, and you can tag them on socials if you would like as well. And then you'll have a card going over the products. It actually gives you the pricing as well. And for December, it says Mama's Little Angel. There's a special kind of magic in the bond between a mother and her child. Through sleepless nights and endless days, you give so much of yourself, shaping the world of your little angel with your love, strength, and unwavering care. That is so cute. They always have a little blurb there for the month. I love that. And again, the other side will go over each piece with the price. There is always some tissue paper. And then this is a sneak peek to inside of his December box. So the first thing right on top, it looks like we have an outfit. I'm not sure if this is pajamas or if this is a normal shirt, but there's clouds on it. So to me, it reminds me of pajamas, but the way the shirt looks doesn't really look like it's pajamas, because then it comes with these shorts. Oh my goodness, there's actually a zipper and a button on them. All right, so zipped and buttoned up. Look at these shorts though. Those are just so cute. But here is a 2-piece set. Now on here it says boys 2-piece set $24.49 and boys 2-piece set $24.49. So it looks like there's 2 outfits and both of them are valued at $24.95 each. So again, here is the first one with the little clouds on it again. And then these are some cute little shorts that go with that one. And then the next one is, these look like the same kind of shorts. Yes, same little zipper. Let's zip you up here. And these are like a lime green. Oh my goodness, how cute. The shirt on this one, it's like the same style, just a different print. So yeah, I guess that's not supposed to be pajamas. But this is like a little dinosaurs. Look at how cute. And you could switch, like if you wanted to wear the white with these. I really wouldn't wear the green probably with the blue, but you could probably swap out the shorts for both sets. But isn't that super cute with all those different dinosaurs on it? Oh my gosh. And again, I like the feel of the, I don't know if it's like polyester, but that feels really nice. I don't know what it says. It says actually 100% cotton, but it feels almost like a polyester. It's not, doesn't feel like a cotton like shirt. It feels really nice. Like, it feels like it would be breathable. So there are the two-piece sets. And then we have, oh, he's gonna get 2 hats. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Especially right now in the winter. See, again, it's seasonal based as well. So here is a 2-piece hat set. And this is valued at $12.99 for the 2-piece. So you have the little truck on both of them in the red and the blue. That is super, super cute. keep his little head warm. And then next up is a spoon and fork set. This is valued at $14.99. So he can have his own little spoon and fork set. Is that little buck teeth on there? Oh no, that's a bear and that's its mouth. It looked, from my view, it looked like little buck teeth. Nope, that is so cute. So here is the spoon and fork set. And then you have a Sesame Street, The Great Baseball Game. Here is a book. I love when there's books in here because then, you know, they can read to them and then they have a little book that they can have as they grow up. So here is a baby reading book valued for $4. And this is what it looks like. It's like the thick, almost like cardboard style pages. Ooh. And there we go. So here is a Sesame Street book. And then there's always a gift in here for the mom. I love that. It doesn't add to the value. It's a free gift for the mom. So it's not just for the child. There's one little surprise for the mom, and it could be anything and everything. I've seen so many different things. This month, however, is a hand cream collection. There's a lavender vanilla, orchid lilac, coconut rose, and peony bouquet. And they are all 1.7 fluid ounces. And again, it's the free gift for the mom. And this one here is, ooh, those are big ones too. Like, I honestly was thinking they were gonna be really small. Those are big sizes. I thought they're gonna be like that. But they're big sizes. Look at that. That is so cool. We can always use some hand cream, especially this time of year when our skin gets dried out from the cold weather. So that is awesome. That is everything for the December 2024 box. You have the hand set 4-piece, great sizes, free gift for the mom. We have the reading book, the silverware, the hat, and there's the 2 different 2-piece outfits. Okay, you guys, so now that is everything for the December box. Comment down below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let me know, what did you think of the items that were in here? What do you think of the Little Bee box? I just love that they take everything into consideration for the age, the season, the gender, all of that, and they just create like amazing mystery boxes for little ones, and I love that. If you'd like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will save you 30% off your very first box if you are interested in trying their subscription box. So the Little Bee box, you have the gold term, which is month per month. If you just want to go month at a time, that would be $51.95 per box. Silver would be a 6-month term, bringing your box price per month down to $45.95. Or there's the platinum, which is the full 12-month term, bringing your box down to only $43 per box. And then again, they do have that one-time gift box. That one's $65 with free US shipping. And that one you get to, again, choose the age and the gender. And then you get to choose like pink, blue, or neutral for like the color combination. And then they will take all of that into consideration, build the box for you, and you can either ship it to yourself and you can bring it if you're attending or giving it to somebody yourself, or you can ship it straight to the recipient, free US shipping. And again, I just love that you have those 2 different options. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, they will be all in the description box for you to go take a look at them with my discount code to save you money if you would like to go check them out. If you would like to see other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.